Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to make heart-shaped sugar cookies with a personalized love message scroll. Perfect for Valentine's Day, anniversaries, or just to brighten someone's day. You'll get my perfect sugar cookie recipe, which I'm sharing for the first time ever, my royal icing recipe, and a full step-by-step tutorial on how to bake, decorate, and assemble these special cookies. Plus, download free printable scrolls and find links to my custom packaging and stickers in the description. All right, you'll need 220 grams butter, 135 grams granulated sugar, 3 egg yolks, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 300 grams all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 3 teaspoons cornstarch. Okay, so I like to cut the butter into small squares and place those into the bowl. Add the sugar. Put the flat beater on the mixer and start mixing. Add the vanilla. Stop to scrape down the sides of the bowl. Add the egg yolks. Mix some more. In a separate medium-sized mixing bowl, add the flour, the baking soda, the salt, and the cornstarch, and mix with a whisk. Add the flour mixture to the bowl. And mix until everything is well incorporated, stopping to scrape the bowl down. Form the dough into a flat disc, place on a plate, and in the refrigerator for at least 10 minutes. So this is the large heart-shaped cookie cutter I'm going to be using, and a small heart-shaped plunger cutter to punch out 2 holes. A small round cutter works too, or just use the tip of a sharp knife to cut out tiny squares. Lightly flour your countertop to prevent sticking and roll the dough out to 1/4 inch thick. This is the perfect thickness for cookies that hold their shape but still have a soft bite. Cut out as many hearts as you can. With the plunger cutter, find the center of your cookie and make a hole just a little bit to the left and then another one just a little bit to the right. Lift off the excess cookie dough and place your cookies on a silicone-lined baking sheet at least 2 inches apart. Bake in a 350-degree oven or 175 degrees Celsius for about 14 minutes or until the edges just barely start to turn a slightly darker color. Let them cool for a few minutes on the baking sheet, then carefully transfer them to a wire rack to finish cooling. For the royal icing, you'll need 5 tablespoons water, 1 teaspoon almond extract, 2 tablespoons meringue powder, 1/8 teaspoon cream of tartar, and 330 grams powdered sugar. In your stand mixer, add the water, your extract, the meringue powder, and the cream of tartar, and with your flat beater, mix until frothy. Add the powdered sugar and mix for about 4 minutes on low, stopping only once to scrape down the sides. Three small mixing bowls or glasses and distribute the icing equally into each one. Place a drop of food gel into each bowl and mix until well blended. For this project, I'm going to use white, pink, and red. Place a piping bag into a cup and flip the top of the bag over the cup. With a spatula, scrape the icing into the bag and secure with a rubber band or a twisty tie. Repeat with the other colors and we're ready to begin decorating. With a pair of scissors, snip the tips off of the piping bags and holding the bag perpendicular to the cookie, pipe a border around each cookie. Then, pipe a border around each small hole. Fill in the rest of the cookie, and with the tip of your bag, swirl around until you have no more gaps or holes. Take another color and continue to decorate your cookie. For this cookie, I've piped horizontal lines all the way up and down the cookie, and then with something pointy, I'm basically dragging it through the icing, creating this really interesting pattern. Finish decorating the rest of your cookies and let them dry someplace cool for an entire day. Download and print the scrolls image and have ready 3 pencils and 3 rubber bands. Using scissors or a guillotine cutter, cut down the vertical lines. Take one scroll and beginning at the top of one side, wrap the scroll around the pencil and roll it all the way up. Straighten your edges and wrap the rubber band around the scroll and the pencil. Doesn't have to be super tight. And set it aside. Do the same for the other 2 scrolls. After about 20 minutes, take the pencil out, take off the rubber band, and unroll your scroll. Write your beautiful message. And roll it back up. Cut off about 18 inches of matching ribbon. And carefully flip it over on the palm of your hand, and with one edge of the ribbon, push it through one small hole. And if your ribbon is wide, like this one is, I just folded the tip in half and pushed it through. Take the other side of the ribbon, fold it in half, and push it through, just a little bit. Flip the cookie over and pull both sides through. Place your cookie down on the counter, put the scroll in the middle, and tie a bow right on top. And there you have it, beautiful heart-shaped sugar cookies with a sweet personal touch. These make the perfect heartfelt gift for any occasion. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more creative DIYs. Happy baking!